Topic is file handling. What is file? The information or data stored under a specific name on a storage device is called a file. Stream. Stream refers to a sequence of bytes. There are two types of file stream. First, input stream and output stream. The stream that supplies data to the program is known as input stream. The stream that receives the data from the program is known as output stream. Now see, this figure shows file input and output stream. Text file. Text file is a file that store information in ASCII characters. In text file, each line of text is terminated with a special character known as EOL, that is end of line character, or delimiter character. When this EOL character is read or written, certain internal translations takes place. Binary file. Binary file is a file that contains information in the same format as it is held in memory. In binary files, no delimiters are used for a line and no translations occur here. Now next is classes for file stream operation. There are three types of classes for file stream operation. First, off stream. Off stream represent output file and is used to create and write to file. Next, if stream. If stream represent input file and is used to read from file. And third, F stream represent read and write from to files. Next topic is file opening and closing a file. File opening mode. Now the general format is file stream class, stream object dot open, file name. Now this is the general format of file opening mode. Now the first format is open file for off stream. The general format is file stream class, stream object dot open, file name. Now how to use this off stream, open file for off stream? Now see the example of a stream f out colon f out dot open text. Here file is used for writing only. Next, open file for if stream. The general format is file stream class, stream object dot open, file name. See the example, if stream fin dot open text. In this example, here file is used for reading only. Open file for app stream. The general format is file stream class, stream object dot open, file name. Now see the example, fstream fin out dot open text. In this example, file is used for both writing and reading. Next is file closing function. Close function. Close function is used to close a file for reading, writing and both operation. The general format is stream object dot close. See the example, fin dot close, f out dot close. See the example for file closing. Next is EOF function. EOF function is used to check whether a file pointer has reached to end of file. If it is successful, EOF function returns a non-zero, otherwise returns 1. Now see the example, if stream fin dot open text while in bracket exclamatory operator fin dot EOF. Now see the example to use EOF function. Next is file mode operation. File mode operation is as the first operation IOS scope resolution operator APP. Now this operation is to append to the end of file. IOS ATE, this operation is to go end of opening file. Third operation IOS scope resolution operator in, this operation open file for reading only. Fourth is IOS out, this operation open file for writing only. Fifth, IOS no create, this operation open file if the file does not exist. Sixth operation IOS no replace, this operation open file if the file is already exist. Seventh operation IOS trunc, this operation delete contents of file if it exists. And eighth operation IOS binary, this operation is for binary file. Now next topic is input and output operation. Put and get function. The function put writes a single character to the associated string. Similarly, the function get function reads a single character from the associated string. Now for example, file.get ch, file.put ch, write and read function. Write and read function write and read blocks of binary data. Now for example, file.read in bracket character asterisk ampersand object, the size of object. File.write character asterisk ampersand object, size of object. Now this is the example of write and read function. Now next is error handling function. Now first is EOF. This function returns true, that is non-zero, if end of file is encountered while reading, otherwise return false, that is 0. Next function is fail. This function return true when an input or output operation has failed. Third function bad. This function returns true if an invalid operation is attempted or any unrecoverable error has occurred. And the fourth function is good. This function returns true if no error has occurred. Next is manipulators using the member functions. The first is seekg. This function moves get pointer, that is input, to a specified location. Next, seekp. Now this moves put pointer, that is output, to a specified location. Tailg. This gives the current position of the get pointer. And tailp, this gives the current position of the put pointer. So all these are the manipulators using member functions.